In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a short AI video from a single photo with InVideo AI. We're going to turn a single reference image into a dynamic 8-second clip, and I'll walk you through the exact process so it's smooth and stress-free. First, log into your InVideo AI account. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and have your reference image ready on your device. Keep your login details secure and private. You won't need to share any personal information during this walkthrough. Once you're in, look for the Photo to Clip option on the dashboard. This is the feature designed specifically to animate or stylize a still image into a short video. Clicking it will open the workspace where everything happens. Next, upload your reference image. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo with good lighting and a distinct subject. The cleaner the image, the better the AI can understand edges, textures, and focal points. If your subject is centered and unobstructed, you'll usually get more accurate motion and stylistic results. Also, make sure you have the right to use the image. Now describe the scene you want in the prompt box. This is where your creativity matters. Be specific and concise. Mention the subject, the action you want, and the mood or style. For example, a cinematic slow push-in on a vintage car at sunset, soft golden light, shallow depth of field, subtle dust particles, moody soundtrack. If you want a particular vibe, like dreamy, futuristic, or documentary, say it. If you prefer certain camera motions, such as a gentle pan or a zoom, include that. Avoid conflicting instructions and keep your language clear so the AI can follow your intent. Before generating, configure the clip length. The maximum here is 8 seconds, which is ideal for hooks, intros, and quick reveals. If you want punchy results, 5 to 7 seconds often feels snappy while still giving the scene time to breathe. Keep it under 8 seconds to stay within the tool's limit. Finally, hit generate. The system will process your image and prompt and then produce the clip. This can take a moment, so let it finish. When it's done, play it back and see how your vision translated from a single photo into motion. If the mood or movement isn't quite right, refine your prompt or swap the image and try again. Small wording tweaks can make a big difference. That's it. You've just created an eye-catching, AI-generated video from a single photo using InVideo AI.